Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna work in our 2011 Kia Soul, and our job for today we're gonna be replacing this battery. The first thing I'm gonna lose the battery terminals. If you see, I put a battery disconnect here because when I travel, I like to disconnect the battery so that way I don't drain it when I'm on traveling. Sometimes it takes very long on travel, but let's remove first the battery terminals. Let's put it aside so that way it's not our way. The second step, we're gonna take the computer plugs out. So to do this, you lift it here. Let's see. Now you press this button here, and lift it. You see this button here is locked. You press it, and then lift this arm here. And when you lift it, it will bring the plugs up for you. So yeah, this one. Okay, let me cut the video pretty quick. So take it out. Okay, I realized when you bring this up, this piece here move forward. The reason I can't take it out because I had this quick disconnect here and it's hitting in this corner here. When it move forward, check this out. You see how it move? You don't have the full driver, so I had to take this out too. Now I got this out. I already lose it. It's off. Now you need both plugs. You see now it loose. You can lift it up very carefully. Okay, got one off. And you see it has to be here. And then bring this one up. There you go. Now that I got both off, if you see here, there's two screws back here. See them? Right there. 1, 2. Those two screws needs to go out. So I think they're number 10. I think they're 12 millimeter. The 12 millimeter socket. Let's see. Yeah, well, 12 millimeter socket. So take just two screws off, and this one out. This nut out to get the computer out of the way, and the battery we get loose. It's a weird design. I don't know why Kia did this. I guess they're trying to save room, save space. Because everything here seems pretty tight. So I guess what it is. It's a weird design. I'm gonna remove those two screws. You see, I already got the two bottom there out. Now I'm doing this one too. Now that I got everything off, you can take the computer out another way. You see, that's where the two screws goes, and the third one, and it's not. So this is out of the way, and your battery now is free to get removed. So what you do is push it back, and then lift it up. Okay. See, this is what holds the battery, this edge right here, and the computer in the back. That's it. So to start it back, same procedure. You put the new one. Then after you put on, don't forget to put this cover. Remove this cover out of the old battery and put it back. It's a heat cover. Put that cover first, and then put everything back together. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.